Hey guys, a while ago I decided to make a new trestle base for our dining table. The issue was that the chairs would sometimes straddle the legs, and if you're sitting on one of those chairs, your knees would hit the base. To solve this problem, I built a trestle base. It looks like this, allowing the chairs to straddle the base, and there's still room for your legs not to hit the leg, the table leg, that is. I used all recycled wood for this trestle base, either from pallets that I picked up at work or leftovers from previous projects. Here are some stills of the progress as I put this all together. And in order to fasten to the existing tabletop, I had to make these blocks that will be attached to the trestle base, but fit into the existing table to match the existing leg mounting point. This was a fun project. I'm really happy with the results. And for those of you who have been following along, thank you for the encouragement along the way. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.